Morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade this morning. Well, let's begin with earnings from Parag Milk. They came out with their quarterly numbers and the profits were significantly lower at a meager 3.2 crore rupees. This is versus 27.5 crores on a year-on-year basis. You had the revenue from operations come in at just about 435 crore rupees. This is versus close to 629 crores. Even operationally, it was a weak set of numbers with the EBITDA coming in at about 29 crores. Margins as well, they shrunk to about 6.8%, and the company said that their share of milk products constituted 74% of the total revenue. Getting a move on, then you also had InfoEdge from the mid-cap IT space that's in focus on the back of their quarterly earnings. Well, the revenues came in at 280 crores, that's down 10% on a year-on-year basis versus 312 crore rupees. You had the profits coming in higher by about 25% though at 83 crores versus 67 crores. Their operating margin stood healthy at 37.3% versus 32.3%. The deferred sales revenue though was down 25% on a yearly basis at 371 crores, and their billing was lower by nearly 44% at 188 crore rupees. The operating EBITDA was up 3.5% on a year-on-year basis to stand at 105 crore rupees. Well, Axis Capital came out with their view on InfoEdge. They say that they maintain an ad rating on the stock. They've got a target price of 3,570 rupees per share. They believe that InfoEdge has seen a strong margin beat in Q1 and that you will see continuous recovery stick with the stock from Q3 onwards. In fact, they believe that startups of the company, remember they own Naukri.com, 99 acres, etc., all of that could yield huge returns. In fact, Axis Capital sees leadership in recruitment in 99 acres, and they believe that these two will provide growth momentum going forward. In fact, they see huge return potential from the new ventures. Aurobindo Pharma, you should keep that stock too on your radar. The company has got the USFDA approval. This is for an injectable called Milrinone Lactate. It's basically used for the treatment of the short-term treatment for heart failure, and Aurobindo is the 6th player now to receive this approval. Bharat Dynamics, meantime, the promoters have proposed to sell up to 1.83 crores equity shares on the 8th and 9th of September. This is going to be by the OFS route. The Ministry of Defence, the Government of India, remember they're the promoters who are essentially looking to sell their stake. And finally, we've got Grasim in focus. Morgan Stanley has an overweight rating with a target at 740, saying the group telecom company's board has approved fundraising. The standalone balance sheet is too stretched for any large investment in the group company. The holdco discount on the stock, which at times has exceeded over 60%.